Okay, so we are going to do some examples together, and then I'm going to have you guys do some practice problems, kind of how we've been doing. And yeah, we're just going to kind of keep talking about it in that way of needing to, like, for number one, for example, we need to rescue the N. So to rescue the N, we have to get through the castle traps, and then we have to get through the tower traps. So the first thing we have to do for number one, to get through those castle traps from the +4, is to do -4 on this side and to do -4 on this side. If it helps you too, you can remember that we still kind of have this equal sign where this line is. So the left side, by subtracting 4, still needs to be equal to the right side by also subtracting 4. Alright, so when we do subtract 4 on the left side, that eliminates these traps. So all we have left to do to rescue our N, so now we have the 3 and the N left, because we got rid of the 4 traps, so we have 3 N left. And then we have it equal to 13 minus 4 gives us that 9. So we still need to rescue the N. And to do that last step to rescue the N, what we're going to do is we have to divide both sides by 3. So I divide this side by 3, and I divide this side by 3. All right. My 3 multiply traps are canceled and undone by dividing by 3. So all we have left is that N equals 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. So that is our final answer for this one. For number 2, it's a similar problem as this one, except now we have a negative involved with our multiplying. So we still have to do that first step of subtracting 5 from both sides, because we got to get rid of those +5 castle traps first. So to get rid of those traps, we do -5 on the left side and -5 on the right side. So we're still trying to solve for x or rescue the x. So we got to do -5 first to undo this first set of traps. So that cancels out the original +5 set of traps. What we have left is the -2, the x. Remember, these guys are multiplying. And then 21 minus 5 gives us 16. So we still are looking to rescue the x here. That's still our goal. We still need to solve that x. So the way we're going to do that is, again, since we have -2 times x here, we have these -2 traps. To undo the -2 traps and rescue the x, what we need to do is we need to divide and divide, because division is the opposite of the multiplication that's happening there. So I'm going to divide by -2 this time. -2. So even though this is a negative out here, it's not subtracting from the x, it's still multiplying. So we have to divide by -2. Divide by -2 here. My -2 multiply traps are canceled by my -2 divide traps, and we have rescued the x. And the x equals 16 divided by -2 is going to be, -8. So the answer for this guy is -8. All right. For this last one, we have subtraction and some division to begin with. So we still have to kind of go through that same process of needing to undo the castle traps or the outermost traps first. So in this case, we still have to undo the -6 by doing +6 on the left side equals +6 on the right side. That cancels out these two. And then what we have left over here is the m being divided by the 3, which I'll draw in that division in a